This video is just a big warning about the footer. But at the start, I'm just going to show you how this is the published version of the site. And if I'm logged in correctly, I can actually edit the page from the published link. And what happened last year is a number of people ended up actually accidentally putting their work in the footer. And I'm just going to show you what happens with the footer. So what I quite like to do is find an inspirational quote. So let's look at the quotes. And images maybe. I'm just going to grab one. I'm not particularly worried what it is at this point. So I'm going to pop that in there, just so that you can see. Okay, and maybe okay. Now I don't like the way that's sitting at the minute. See how I clicked again, I got a different option, so I can actually now move that to where I prefer it and push tick. Okay, I'm going to publish this. And we're going to have a look at the published version. So I'll view. Now what happens is the footer is there. If I go to maths, the footer is also there. If I go to English, the footer is there. And if I go to science, the footer is there. So the footer goes over your entire page. So to have a maths quote when you've got all subjects is not a good idea. The other problem was students, it's too big, it's taking too much space, but they were doing all the work in the footer, and then of course they had to delete it all. So it was problematic to move that into the main. It was actually really hard. So I'm just going to delete that for a minute. And I'm going to go back and try to get back into the footer. I'm still in the footer because that's all grayed out. So let's just have a text box for my footer and just have a try. Okay, and I might just say strive That is one of the learning habits. So we can have some kind of two learning habits that we like in particular. So strive and create. You can think of something, some kind of a goal. Now if we push publish, and we go back to view, you can see it's not quite so dominant. Right, now how do I get back into the main? Just click on it. So I prefer, if we do the footer, to do it in a different colour, perhaps an image. And then we make sure that we do not put our work in the footer, because that would make life very annoying, because you can't move it easily and it's a disaster. So that's a big warning. So having a footer is probably not a bad idea, and just getting it really simple is cool. Right.